Hi, it's me again with Corel Raw Tips and Tricks, and this tip comes from one of my loyal subscribers. He must watch all my movies because he comments a lot, and a lot of times he corrects me, and sometimes he compliments me. And I've made this football less nodes, and I'm going to take and get rid of the ones that had a lot of nodes because if you're a plasma cutter, especially, that'll be detrimental. Then we'll get rid of that. And his suggestion, instead of doing what I did, which was Control D and then flip, if you will just hold down the control button, you still have to get the double arrow. Hold down the control button, and then when you get there, just right click, and it puts a copy on top of each other. Now, as always, you need to smart fill that in so you'll have one complete object. And then just move it out of the way and left click, no fill, and right click, and now you've got a solid object. But his way is pretty cool. I'm so used to doing it my way, I'll probably continue that way. But if you're just starting out, get that arrow, double arrow, hold down the control button, which makes it equal, and then hold down and just touch the right mouse button. So it's a little more mouse button ambidextrous, both fingers using, but it works. Anyway, so I thank you for that tip and hope that helped a little bit. And thank you for watching.